So this is a pretty nice path so far. You get to walk through some water, cool your feet down, and you have a stick here to keep your balance. As we're moving along this area, you can hear the brook down there to the right of us. Yeah, so this was, they started giving tours to the falls in 2010, and they've been doing it all the time, except during the pandemic, right? Hello, how are you guys doing? Where are you guys from? Manila. Manila, okay. Hello. Are you guys from Manila too?
Yeah.
You're part of the Manila crew. Go ahead. So this waterfall just goes on and on and on as you look up there. It's kind of multi-layered. So the first one I would say is probably around maybe 30 feet tall, and then you look up a little bit further, there's another 10-foot one, and then there is a higher one that's even further up there.